The 2018 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, remote engine start, power steering, cruise control, universal garage door opener, trip computer, fog lights, child safety locks, power brakes. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.